Want to change how temperatures are displayed in the Booking.com app? Whether you prefer Fahrenheit or Celsius, switching between them is quick and easy. Start by opening the Booking.com app on your mobile device. Once inside, go to the My Account section in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Next, scroll through the list of options and select Device Preferences. This is where you can customize various settings to match your preferences. Within this menu, locate the temperature option and tap on it. You'll see two choices, Fahrenheit or Celsius. Simply select your preferred unit, and the app will update automatically. No need to save anything. Your temperature settings are now adjusted, making it easier to view weather information in the format you're most comfortable with. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.